Welcome to this tutorial on working with HTML in PowerShell. Today, we'll explore the ConvertTo-Html cmdlet and learn how to create HTML reports from PowerShell data. This is an essential skill for generating professional documentation and sharing system information in a web-friendly format. ConvertTo-Html is a PowerShell cmdlet that transforms objects into HTML table format. It takes any PowerShell object and converts it into a structured HTML document. The cmdlet creates formatted, styled reports that can be viewed in any web browser. Once generated, the output can be saved as HTML files, making it perfect for sharing system reports, documentation, or any data visualization needs. The basic syntax is straightforward. You start with any PowerShell command that produces output, such as getProcess, and pipe it to ConvertTo-Html. The pipe symbol sends the objects from the first command directly into ConvertTo-Html, which then transforms them into an HTML table structure. This simple pattern works with any PowerShell cmdlet that returns objects. ConvertTo-Html offers several parameters to customize your output. The property parameter lets you select specific properties to include in your table. The title parameter sets the HTML page title that appears in the Browser tab. The head parameter allows you to add custom CSS styling or metadata to enhance the appearance. Finally, the body parameter lets you add content before the table, such as headers or introductory text. You can control which properties appear in your HTML table using the property parameter. First, pipe getService to select object and choose only the name and status properties. Then, pipe this filtered output to ConvertTo-Html and specify the same properties with the property parameter. This approach gives you precise control over which columns appear in your final HTML report. To make your reports visually appealing, you can add custom CSS styling. Start by creating a variable called CSS that contains your style definitions in HTML style tags. For example, you can define table border styles. Then, when you call ConvertTo-Html, use the head parameter and pass in your CSS variable. This injects your custom styles into the HTML document, giving you complete control over the appearance. To save your HTML report to disk, pipe the output from ConvertTo-Html to the outfile cmdlet. Use the file path parameter to specify where you want to save the file, including the full path and file name with an HTML extension. For example, you might save it to reports_processes.html. This creates a permanent file that you can share, email, or open in any web browser. Let's recap the key points. ConvertTo-Html transforms PowerShell objects into HTML tables, making data easy to view and share. Use the property parameter to control which columns appear in your report. Customize the appearance with the head parameter to add CSS styling. Finally, save your reports using outfile for persistent documentation. With these techniques, you can create professional HTML reports from any PowerShell data.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.